It started to hail in the Colosseum. The Pokémon are softly lit by the glow of the crystals. And now, the battle begins. The red corner makes the first attack. A heavy blow. It's down already! Absol is sent out. Well, both corners still have a chance to win this. Who's going to take the glory? Rushing blow! It couldn't take it. It's down! Walrein is sent out. In terms of the number of remaining Pokémon, it's an even 50-50. Both sides still have a chance to win. The move can't hit the opponent. A frigid shot from Blizzard. Taken down by an intense blow. Is sent out. The blue corner has the lead when comparing the number of remaining Pokémon, but the battle has just begun. Walrein starts to attack. A fierce blow. It's a direct hit. The battle is getting intense. Walrein restored its health. Shot from Blizzard. It went down. Is sent out. Well, both corners still have a chance to win this. Who's going to take the glory? a direct hit. The battle is getting intense. Fortress is losing its health. It went down! Walrein restored its health. Victory belt is sent out. The blue corner continues to do very well, but can they finish this off? The sun's rays have suddenly intensified. A frigid shot from Blizzard. Taken down by an intense blow. Is sent out. The battle has reached its final stage, and the tension is peaking. The substitute appears. It hit the substitute. The sunlight in the Colosseum is blinding. I wonder how this is going to affect the battle. A chilling breeze can be felt in the Colosseum.